Guys, what's up? It's me Zoya and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, what's up? So today I woke up, it's Tuesday and it's the first day of my online school classes for the new term. So pumped for that. So excited to wake up at 7 a.m. every single day. Yeah, so I woke up for that. I did like 2 hours of school probably, and right now I am editing a video for my second channel. I had my breakfast on my desk while doing school and now I'm just editing. You guys will see my editing setup. It's pretty solid. It's kind of like a mess. That's my friend working on the channel art, and that's me working on the video. Yeah, and that's like all the food and my controller and stuff like that. This is such a mess. I want to like clean up this area. Hopefully the goal for today is just to like show you guys how I manage like my YouTube with my school, because this is like such a asked question. I don't know how to say this. Yeah, I'm also gonna go to the gym and everything, so it's gonna be like a productive day with me. Hopefully you guys like it, and yeah, I'm gonna just edit for like an hour or two right now, and then I'm gonna see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So I feel like I haven't updated you guys in a long time. It is currently 3:30 p.m. It's been more than half the day, and all I freaking did was go to the Aadhaar card place and wait there for 3 hours, 2 hours, something like that. I wasted a lot of my day on that. So now I realize that I have like a ton of work, and basically the video that I wanted to do was like things to do when you're bored to make online school fun or something like that. But I guess now the video that we're doing is just me working really hard and grinding to get all my work done. I'm so freaking tired, my calves hurt. I've had 3 hours of sleep last night, so I really want to sleep. My goals for today are A, to sleep, B, to do some of my schoolwork, C, to edit a video, and D, to film this video. Those are all my goals for today, and I'm really keen to meet them. So we're gonna do all of this. Apart from that, my brother is also home right now, so I want to be able to spend some time with him as well. And yeah, and I also want to go to the gym. That's a very important goal, to go to the gym. So I'm gonna clean these. I freaking love this for some reason. It's like one of those, yeah, I don't know why. Don't judge me. I love that. Hingoli. I don't know why I love this. Patanjali, please sponsor me. I'm joking. But am I?
नहाने गई थी, तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? कौन था? मैं थी, तुम थी, मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था? कौन था? कौन था? ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर के ऊपर चढ़ा दिया।
What do people in please don't stream snipe me, dodo bird.
Hey guys, so wait, so much traffic noise all the time. Does anyone else, like, if you live in the middle of a city, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, that's just like water from the purifier. I'm not wasting any water. Okay, so I'm going to get water right now, but after this I also want to go to the gym at around like 5:30ish, because I don't know, I tried going yesterday and I felt so refreshed after that. I miss going to the gym, so I'm only going to the apartment gym right now. I'm not gonna go to like a real actual gym. I freaking love October weather. So perfect. Like, it's not too hot, it's not too cold. Love October weather. Bihar, Delhi, Jharkhand people know what I'm talking about. October weather, perfection. I'm gonna clean my room right now, and I'm gonna fill my bottle with some water and open my windows and water my plants, mainly because my room smells like food. I spilled a little bit of the water over here. I feel bad. Now I gotta clean that up. So now I'm editing, and this is also very productive work. I haven't really started it yet. I started it this morning actually. I haven't finished it yet. So I was editing my video, and then I realized it's getting dark outside. And so I decided that I should go to the gym because I like going there before it's like completely dark. So I just changed into like these biker shorts and like my shoes, and I'm gonna take my bottle, and that's all I take, to be honest. It's right here actually. I haven't quite edited my video, so I'm gonna be back in like 10 minutes and edit my video. Maybe 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna be back in like in half an hour, 20 minutes, and I'm gonna edit my video. Hey guys. That was such a bitter smile, mainly because I was about to leave, and then I remembered my gym is closed on Tuesdays for maintenance, and that is why I'm going back to my desk. I'm editing this for my second channel, so if you guys aren't subscribed to my second channel, please subscribe for vlogs and stuff. I love vlogging, and I know you guys like watching me vlog. So hopefully you guys are really gonna like this. So if you guys want to see me vlog, head to my second channel, link in description. It's called Zoya, and I'm gonna like put the name up on the screen right now. So yeah, go subscribe to my second channel. It's a great channel. I need sleep. I really need sleep. If you guys need sleep, you guys should sleep. I'm so tired, and I'm so cold at the same time. Like I only have like the fan going on, but I'm so cold right now. Anyway, hi guys. So I finished editing my video right now, and that's uploading right now. I have a little bit of homework which I should probably do right now. So I'm gonna do that homework right now. I think I have an hour until dinner, so I'm gonna try to get all of that done in an hour, but I really do want to sleep. So after dinner, I know I always like feel sleepy after eating food, so I'm gonna lay down, and I know I'm gonna fall asleep, and I'm gonna like nap, or I might just go to bed, who knows. I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna be fun. That's the whole plan. So usually at night, oh my god, this lighting is so much better. So I have like these really nice lights around my door, and then I have like these really nice lights around like my walls in my bed, and like at night I like to like turn on all those lights because it just makes my room look so much nicer. Like, look at that, how cool. Alexa, switch on color lights. What? That looks so cool. I like the vibe of my room after it becomes like that. My desk area is like giving me stress because of how messy it is. This is exporting. That's my homework email. Let's get this done. Hi guys. It's around like 11 p.m. right now. 11:30. I just wanna wash my face and get ready for bed. Mainly because I slept for 3 hours last night. Wait, I went to bed at 4, 5, 6, 7, 7:30. That's 3 hours, or like 4 tops. I need like at least 5 to call myself mentally stable, or I actually feel unstable for the entire day. My bathroom has like makeup all over the counters. I need to... Okay. So I'm gonna wash my face, I'm gonna put stuff on my face, I'm gonna put acne cream, and I'm gonna go to bed and wake up only tomorrow for school because I really need sleep and I just need sleep. The good news is I edited the video, I did my homework, I did not work out but the gym was closed, that is why I cleaned my room, I spent time with my friends, and I also spent time with my brother. So out of all those goals, I was able to meet the majority of them, which is amazing. And I thought I'd meet them, to be honest, not gonna lie. Yeah. I wanted to get some extra work done for school, but I think that's fine. But yeah. I'm so sleepy. Okay.